From age 30 on, every decade, we lose up to 8% of muscle mass. What can we do to slow down this process? So this is one of the reasons why I love dairy, because it provides high quality protein with branched chain amino acids, those amino acids that are needed for protein maintenance, and I love that. And also the protein in dairy is easy digestible, that you can absorb the amino acids more efficiently, and more of it leucine has been shown to actually help with new muscle. And dairy is known to be one of the higher sources of leucine. Milk. So between the milk and the cottage cheese, now you have about 25 grams of protein right here. Cardiovascular exercises are great, but what's gonna help you with muscle is weight training, strength training.